Hello fellow traders and welcome to your own channel the First Traders. I hope आप सब अच्छे होंगे और इस मार्केट से बहुत सारा पैसा कमा रहे होंगे. So let's break down this trade. But before I go ahead, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. So before we start, first let me explain it to you. इस वीडियो में हम COT analysis, that means commitment of traders का fundamental analysis करेंगे, and then we will look for a short position. So first of all, what we can see on the chart, the gold is currently in a very bullish trend, right? It's very clear that it's going up. So what do we do? First we will do the fundamental analysis. Okay, so how do we do fundamental analysis? We are supply demand traders, so we look for commitment of traders report, the CFTC report that is available every week on Friday. So first हम आते हैं इस डेट पे 2nd of February 2025, सॉरी 4th of February. So हम यहाँ क्या देखते हैं कि COT reports में नॉन कमर्शियल्स, वी ओनली फोकस ऑन द नॉन कमर्शियल्स. ओके, बिकॉज यही लोग होते हैं जो मार्केट मेकर्स होते हैं, एंड ये कमर्शियल्स जो होते हैं ये हेज फंड्स मैनेजर्स होते हैं. सो व्हाट दे एसेंशियली डू, अगर इनको पता है कि मार्केट इनको लगता है ऊपर जाएगा तो ये शॉर्ट करते हैं. सो दे आर ऑलवेज ट्रेड अपोजिट. वी डू नॉट फोकस ऑन नॉन कमर्शियल्स, वी फोकस ऑन द नॉन कमर्शियल्स, दिस वन. ओके, एंड सो व्हाट वी कैन सी दैट दे हैव एडेड लॉन्ग पोजिशंस. 18,000 लॉन्ग उन्होंने ऐड किए हैं एंड 15,000 शॉर्ट ऐड किए. दैट मीन्स कि दे आर, द मार्केट इज जस्ट गोइंग टू कंसोलिडेट फॉर नाउ, राइट. सो हम क्या करते हैं, हम जाते हैं अगले वीक की डेटा पे 11th of February. सो व्हाट वी कैन सी ऑन हियर, यहाँ पर नॉन कमर्शियल्स ने एक बड़ा चेंज लेके आए हैं, राइट. तो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पर लॉन्ग इन्होंने 12,500 12,700 लॉन्ग पोजिशंस क्लोज किए. दैट मीन्स गोल्ड बहुत ज़्यादा बुलिश ट्रेंड में है. सो दैट मीन्स दे आर सिक्योरिंग देयर प्रॉफिट्स एंड एडिंग टू शॉर्ट्स. एज यू कैन सी हियर, नॉट टू मच, सिर्फ 5,000 शॉर्ट ऐड किए, बट दे हैव चेंज देयर प्लान, वी कैन सी. ओके, सो व्हाट वी डू, वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट वीक ऑफ डेटा. टेक द नेक्स्ट वीक डेटा. वी कम ऑन द 18th of Feb. Again 18th of Feb. So the positions, as we can see over here, the gold, the non-commercial positions we have to focus on, right. And what we can see, they have closed more longs even. They have closed minus 9,723 long positions they have closed. That means they are definitely securing profits and adding to shorts. That means very soon we can expect कि gold अब बहुत बड़ा fall दे सकता है, बिकॉज जो मार्केट मेकर जो है उन्होंने अपनी पोजीशंस में काफ़ी ज़्यादा लॉन्ग्स बंद किए हैं एंड शॉर्ट्स ऐड किए हैं, राइट. सो वी हैव आवर फंडामेंटल बायस दैट वी कैन सेफली लुक फॉर अ ग्रेट शॉर्ट ट्रेड. सो फॉर नाउ द फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस इज डन. इफ़ यू आर कन्फ्यूज्ड यू कैन आस्क इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फंडामेंटल रिपोर्ट. इफ़ यू आर ट्रेडिंग विदाउट इट, आप हाफ ब्लाइंड होके ही ट्रेड कर रहे हैं. सो नाउ वी हैव आवर bearish fundamental bias, right. So we come on the chart now. We can see that the gold is currently in a great bullish trend. Okay, and so what we do, हम 1 घंटे में जाते हैं. What we can see on the 1 hour here. So a few things we can see. First thing that आप देखेंगे कि गोल्ड ने यहाँ पर ऑल टाइम हाई पे एक लिक्विडिटी छोड़ी थी, राइट. यहाँ पर लोगों की लिक्विडिटी इन द सेंस, अगर यहाँ पर लोगों ने शॉर्ट किया तो स्टॉप लॉस ऊपर लगाएंगे, राइट. सो व्हाट द प्राइस डिड, प्राइस केम बैक अप and swept this liquidity, grabbed this liquidity, and what afterwards the price ने एक बहुत बड़ी bearish engulfing candle बनाई है. Okay, and हमारा bias क्या है कि they are market makers are closing their long positions and adding to the short positions, right. So we go on the 30-minute time frame, and here what we can see, we see a Quasimodo level. Okay, so what is a Quasimodo level? I will explain it to you fast. Suppose the market is going up, it's creating high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then it creates a higher high, takes this high again, but this time instead of creating a higher high, it creates a lower low. Okay, that means it has taken this low over here, and hence a Quasimodo level is formed. And as you see here, the same thing has happened. just a second. The price, so as you can see, the same thing has happened here. The price was going up, okay, higher high, and low, it created low, it's created higher high, then it created low, and then it broke this high, right? As you can see, it broke this high, and then it broke this low. As you can see here, it broke this low, right? That means a Quasimodo level has been formed, right? So what do we do next? हमको एक अब एंट्री चाहिए शॉर्ट की, राइट? सो one second, let me clean this up and just put it here, the liquidity sweep, right? And the price has created a Quasimodo level, you can clearly see here. So what we do, we find a bearish order block, okay? So you see, what is the bearish order block? The last bullish candle before this down move that gave a break in market structure, right? So here we see a break in market structure. So we take this candle, okay? So once we take this candle, as we can see, this is a very big candle, right? From this to this high, it is almost 70 pips, okay? But we do not take such big stop losses. So what we do, we will take 50% of this order block. One second, here, okay? So as you can see, this is the 50% of this whole order block. Why? Because as you can see, or if you already know, here it is a very premium level zone, and below it is a very discounted zone, okay? So what we will do, we will wait for the price to come to the premium zone and then short from here. So what we will do, we will place a pending order over here, and our stop loss will be above this high, okay? And here we will just place a sell limit pending order. And what we will do, we can see that the COT report, the market makers have changed their whole perspective of the market, right? So we will look for on the 4 hour, we will look for this liquidity sweep. As you can see here, a clear liquidity is resting over here, right? A buy side liquidity. So we will target this low. It is very obvious, okay? So let's play this trade, see what happened. As you can see, our trade is active and it was a sniper entry, okay? This is an amazing strategy, okay? So you must focus on this. So let's play what happened. Okay, so we can see that the price has given an amazing more than 600 pips, and the price is retracing back up. Okay, so what we are gonna do, we can do a few things. First thing, we will take a Fibonacci from this high to this low, right? So what we can see, the 70.5% level is coming exactly at this breaker block. What is the breaker block? First, you can see it was an order block because it gave a break in market structure on the top. ओके इसने ऊपर की साइड ब्रेक इन मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर दिया, बट प्राइस ने इसे सीधा तोड़ दिया नीचे, तो प्राइस ने एक फेयर वैल्यू गैप इम्बैलेंस बनाया, एंड इस इम्बैलेंस के जस्ट पीछे हम देख सकते हैं एक ब्रेकर ब्लॉक, एक ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है जो कि एक ब्रेकर ब्लॉक बन चुका है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोना डू, वी विल प्लेस अनदर पेंडिंग ऑर्डर ओवर हियर एट अराउंड दिस लेवल, एंड आवर स्टॉप विल बी अबव this high, this wick, okay, and again our target will be the same liquidity. So let's see. Okay, our trade is active, second trade, and then let's see what the price is going to do now. Okay, amazing. Okay, TP hit. So as you can see, these were two amazing trades, and this is how you can trade as well if you understand all the concepts, including the COT reports. As you can see, again let me show you the COT reports में इन्होंने longs बहुत कम बंद किए हैं and long shorts add किए. Okay, that means see they have added a lot, closed a lot of longs positions. Okay, and they have added a lot of short positions again. That means market makers जो हैं अब short करने के पूरी तरह से मूड में हैं. Okay, so that is how we got this amazing trade, and one second, that is how we got these amazing trades. एंड अगर हम दोबारा से एनालिसिस चेक करते हैं, अब दिस वीक हैज़ एंडेड, ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट वीक व्हाट्स गोना हैपन, अब की बार जस्ट फ्राइडे पे, लास्ट फ्राइडे 25 को हमारे पास एक और रिपोर्ट आई थी COT की, एंड इफ़ यू कैन फोकस ऑन दिस रिपोर्ट, इट इज़ वेरी क्लियर what they are doing. See, 1 second. So what they are doing, they have closed 17,000 of their long positions and also closed 10,000 of their short positions. That means there is nothing stopping the price from going even और गिरने से प्राइस को कोई नहीं रोक सकता फिलहाल कोई बड़ी पावर नहीं है. So for now, next week we will again look for short positions on gold. There are many good setups, and I hope you learned something. If you haven't, please comment box में लिखिए, सवाल पूछिए, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.